marching through the feet, right, left, right, left. So remember, with all these workouts I do for you, they're aimed at getting your step count up, so it's a walking workout. Try and keep the arms swinging, shoulders relaxed though, so it's not tense. Arms are swinging, just marching through. If I add more complex footwork or arm work and you don't like it, just do your own thing, make it as big or small. So if you make the movements bigger once we're warmed up, you're going to find you get a more intense aerobic workout. So let's change that slightly. We're going to march 2 forward, 2 back. So just stepping forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back. And again, while we're doing this workout, use the space you've got. If I say go to the corner and you've got something in the way, you're going to turn to the side, use the space you can. Well done, just keep on moving. So this is a 15-minute workout roughly, somewhere between 1500 and 1800 steps. I think it's about 1500 this track. Hold it on the spot, just marching on the spot. Remember, stand tall. Keep breathing. Ready for 2 forward, 2 back again, exactly the same. So 2 forward. So it's been a couple of really hot days, so I haven't been filming. Cooled down a bit this morning, so I thought I'd get another workout in for you. Last 4, 3, and we're going to single step to your right, so stepping together. So again, if this is really not good for you, just keep it really small. You can always just step and tap, step and tap. If you're able to and you've got the space though, just make those steps a bit wider. Just another reminder, I always wear nothing on my feet when I'm working out. Just be cautious when you are, there's nothing you're going to step on. And if you're diabetic, please put something on your feet and check after the workout that there's no damage to your feet at all. We're going to change direction, so either way, stepping together, exactly the same. So if you want to keep that small, it can be a step and tap, and keep those arms moving. Keep it moving. So the reason I'm asking you to keep your arms moving is if you've got a step counter on your wrist and you are counting steps, you're going to make sure if your arms are moving in time with your feet, you're going to get that step counter counting your feet. Yes, your feet, counting your steps even. It's a little bit faster now, we're a bit warmer. So just make sure you've got space. We're going to come forward for 4, so turn if you need to. 1, 2, 3. If you need to turn, you're going to turn. Let's go. I'm going to go to the other corner. So if you can change direction, do. If you don't, keep on the spot. Once more forward and back. Hold it on the spot. Let's go left, right this time. 4, 3, 2 forward, 2 back. This time we're going to come forward on the left. So the same thing as we were doing right at the beginning. Hold it on the spot. Well done, just keep those feet moving. If you're finding it too easy, lift your knees higher. If you're finding it too hard, make the move smaller. 2 forward, 2 back again. So exactly the same as we did at the beginning, starting with the left foot this time. Last 4, 3, 2. We're going to step to your left and back. We're going to add some arms. So if you want to make it harder, take the arms higher. If you want to make it easier, just keep it low. We're going to change direction, so this way. So again, if that's too much, keep it small. Your gentler version. If it's too hot on the day you're working out, make it a bit bigger if you want to, and march it through. So I've gone back to right, left, doesn't really matter what leg you're on now. Let's do 2 forward, 2 back. Let's take it for 4, 3, 2, and a clap. Whew, that was a skirting board. Just watch out for anything around you, arms and feet. I'm going to take it to the corner, so turn if you've got room. If you haven't, just stay marching forward and back on the spot. Well done. Let's change direction. Just keep moving through the gap. Mind the gap. It's a little bit faster now. 3, 2, 1 and a tap. 3, 2, 1 and a tap. So the easiest version is here. You want to make it bigger. If you wish, so it's your choice. If you want to really keep it just as a walking workout, you can just add a little tap. I think I'm going to keep it low today. It's still quite humid here. I'll go back to the top, marching on the spot. For 8. 2 forward, 2 back. On the spot for 8. 2 forward, 2 back. To your right and left. Change direction, left and right. So you know you have the option to keep it small if you wish. The other side. Change. March it on the spot. 4, 3, 2 and tap. Well done. So again, you have that option. 1, 2, 3 at a time. 1, 2, 3. I'm clapping at the front, trying to do it quietly. Doesn't sound good on the microphone. Marching on the spot for 8. 2 forward, 2 back. On the spot for 8. 2 forward, 2 back. Step to the side. Back. 4, 3. Ready to change either side. Other side for 4, 3, 2 and change. 4, 3, 2 and change. So if your arms are aching, keep it lower. If you can, keep them high there. Marching on the spot and tap. 2, 3 and your choice. Marching. 2 forward, 2 back. To the right. And left. So 2 each side this time. I threw you with that one, threw me too. Sorry about that. Ooh. I think you head to the next workout. Let's just keep those feet moving. I'm just going to lift the heels, and I want you to shift across as you go to the left hand side of your mat. Lifting the heels. we're going to take 2 steps. Step together, step together, step together, step together. So I'm turning slightly as I go now. And if you still want to, you can step across, step together, step across in front. It's not a grapevine because we're stepping in front. If that doesn't feel good, just keep it as a double step. Once more to the right, once more to the left. Hold it here for singles, single, 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 double, double, singles for 4, 3, 2, and double, double, singles, double, double, single. Going to change it on the end next time. Double. I'm just going to touch the foot out to the side for 4, 3, 2. Keep the arms moving. Double. And back. Other leg this time. 4, 3, 2. Don't forget, if you don't quite get it right, it really doesn't matter. Keep moving. Keep those arms moving. Keep those legs moving. 3. Change. 4. Doubles to the right and back. Right leg, 4, double. Last time, this leg, 4, 3, 2. Marching on the spot. Start left, right if you can. Just keep moving. So we're starting on the left leg. We're going to move to this side of the mat. Left. So we're cooling the body down now a little bit. Quite a short workout today. Singles and a double and singles for 4, 3. I'm touching my feet together and double. Singles. I'm ahead of myself there. We're going to do that next. Double and back. Single steps, 4, 3, 2, 1. Double. This leg, tapping out, so tap and in, tap, 3 and 4. This leg, tap out, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just march it through, right, left. Again, if you're on the wrong leg, it really doesn't matter. You're just trying to keep moving, get that step count up, well done. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just touching feet out behind. So you can either swing both arms backwards and forward, push forward, opposite arm, whatever feels right for you. Be aware of what's going on with your lower back here. So it's not too far a tap back, leaning slightly forward. Tap it out to the side. And in front. Well done, you've done really well today, particularly if you're working out with me in this heat. Okay, just taking your right leg out behind, or one leg. Both feet are pointing forward. Just watch that heel. Often find it comes in, turn it out. We need to feel the stretch in the back of the calf. Nice relaxed back. I'm taking my hands onto my leg at the front and just lift a little bit and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and hold it there again for 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's hold it for another 4, 3, 2. And change legs. Heel down. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. And hold it there. Feel that stretch. Get that back nicely softened. We're really aiming for a straight line from the top of the head through to that heel. Watch the back ankle hasn't slipped in. So just check they're parallel. If you're struggling with your balance, take your feet wider that way. So if you're here, you're going to wobble, take a little bit wider. Well done, that's all for today. See you again next time. Bye for now.